Welcome back. This is Seshu, CEO, Baker's Fun. We are into this business of baking for the past 30 years. Today, let me give some tips to all those new home bakers or homemakers who wants to try baking cakes or breads at their home and at their convenience from over baking. The first one, you've never measured your oven temperature. Yes, your oven temperature might be lying you. A regular servicing of your temperature controller is a must. A simple 10-degree variation can kill your product. You might use a dark metal pan to bake your bread or cake. Dark metal pans requires more heat because they absorb more heat than light metal pans. So in case you are using a light metal pan, decrease your temperature accordingly or increase your temperature vice versa. The third one, checking the baked goods very frequently during the time of baking. When you frequent opening of doors will release a lot of heat outside. As a result, you require more time for it to bake. And sometimes you might even overbake. So understand the signs. The last tip, but not the least, you should always have a toothpick in hand when you are baking a cake especially. For you to understand if the cake is baked right or not, pierce the toothpick inside the cake and remove it. If it comes clean, it means your cake is baked correctly. But if the toothpick has any cake crumbs stuck to it, it means the cake requires more baking. Have a happy baking at your home. Double tap this video if you think this content is useful to you. This is Seshu. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.